Welcome to Friday's Look North.
On the programme tonight, protesters prepare for a long legal battle as they attempt to stop high-speed rail coming to Yorkshire.
It really is sort of David and Goliath, but we will take legal action wherever we can.
First tonight, it's emerged that campaigners in Yorkshire will attempt to derail the proposed high-speed train link between Birmingham and Leeds with a series of legal challenges. A local law firm says it's already received approaches from people in our area who are affected by the plans.
It follows a High Court ruling today that some government consultations relating to the first phase between London and Birmingham are unlawful. Phase 2 of the scheme has so far been supported by MPs, councils and business organisations across Yorkshire. Olivia Richwald has our top story.
Faster, smoother, better for business, according to the government. But plans for high-speed rail are hitting many obstacles. This farming and fishing business has been built from scratch by 3 generations of the same family over 55 years. The new track will cut straight through.
We've met with our MP Alex Shelbrooke, with Lisa councillors, we've written to the Transport Minister and to HS2. Unfortunately, we've had very little response. If you look at the result down south, people with a lot of resources behind them have not been able to get the line moved or stopped. They've only been able to challenge the consultation process, which ultimately won't stop HS2.
Today at the High Court there was a small victory. The part of the multi-billion-pound project which deals with compensation has been declared unlawful. And this Leeds law firm says clients in Yorkshire are already planning ways to take HS2 through the courts.
We've had contact from people who've been sent letters from the government agencies indicating that the route is going to likely to be impacting on their area, on their land, and understandably they're concerned what they can do about that.
It's absolutely right that we get the compensation scheme correct for people, because if you are living within a couple of hundred yards of a viaduct that's 70, 80, 90 feet up in the air in the middle of the open countryside, then you're going to have concerns. Of course it's going to have an effect on the value of your property.
From her kitchen table in Church Fenton, Jo Mason is working on a rebellion. If the new train route goes ahead, she'll see it, hear it and feel it.
We're up against the might of HS2. They're spending an absolute fortune on PR. We're having to raise our money where we can, little fundraising events. So it really is sort of David and Goliath, but we will take legal action wherever we can.
While the Church Fenton campaigners are fundraising for a long fight, down the route in Swillington, Ed and his mum are desperate to persuade the government to take the line elsewhere.
There is no doubt that a 60-foot viaduct slicing through this site would ruin the tranquility. And with 3 generations of work to protect, those behind HS2 shouldn't expect a smooth ride or a fast journey through Swillington. Olivia Richwald, BBC Look North.